Hello, my name is Philip and welcome to today's quick grammar update. Today I will explain to you how to use the future continuous tense. The form. The future continuous tense is formed using will plus be plus the ing verb. Remember that the verb will does not change its form for any subject pronoun. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, will, plus be, plus ing verb. In the next scene, I will be wearing a jumper. Will you be flying by this time tomorrow? They won't be starting construction until later this year. Meaning, we use the future continuous to describe actions in progress at a future point in time. For example, in the next scene, I'll be holding a melon. I'll be studying this weekend because I have an exam on Monday. Due to delays, we won't be landing at the airport until much later this evening. Remember, you can practice this and many other grammar points with me, Philip, your Skype class English teacher. Good luck with your studies. Goodbye.